Yo, yo, yo! Welcome back. I'm happy today. I'm doing. This is a 3 month review of a kick I unboxed three months ago. Yeah, it says 3 months review. Today I am doing a 3 month review. No, I'm doing a user's 3 month review of the Adidas Ultraboost 20s. Let's go. Right, so 3 months ago I did a review on the Ultraboost 20s versus the ZX 2Ks. Video is in the link below. Go and watch it. Good video. But what I decided to do is I've been using these as my exercise trainers. So I thought I'm going to do. It's been 3 months now since I've had them. I've done on average 5k a day. So that works out to around about. Don't even do my maths, but I think it's a lot. I'm not a runner and whatever, but what I've been doing in these, I've been walking, I've been running, I've been doing other workouts, skipping, things like that. So I've got a good impression how these feel after a good hour's workout a day, almost every day, for the last 3 months. So let's just get straight into this. I didn't even clean these, okay, because I work these, okay? These are work trainers, okay? I'm doing it for you. No, I was doing it for me, but now I'm doing it for you. I'm doing that review for you now. So anyway, if you haven't seen these already, these are the Ultraboost 20s. They've got the Ultraboost 21s now, which got a massive heel. I still haven't got a pair. They just run out of my size. They just run out of my manly size. I'm not telling you my size, but they just keep on running out of my size and I can't get hold of them. Well, I can, but not the colours I want, and I'm not going to bust a colour just for anyway. Anyway, getting past that. First thing I'll say about these is the upper fly knit, I shouldn't say it fly knit because that's Nike, isn't it? The knitted material on the top is wicked. This colour actually glows when you're walking. Like I exercise in the morning, so before it started getting lighter, it kind of glows so people could see it. It's not like bright shiny glow, but it's enough that it's great. Even with the dirt on it now, I haven't cleaned these, they still have a little shine to them, but they are not easy to clean. Okay, so just bear that in mind. You know, if you're going to get white like these and you don't mind them being what they are, then cool. If you want to wear them out afterwards and whatever, just know you're going to have to clean them because they're not easy. The Boost, man. It does what it says it does, man. It's been comfortable, like I said, walking and running, jumping on the spot. There's not a lot of, boost. Sorry, there's not a lot of boost where the balls of your feet are for like skipping and jumping and hit workouts and that, but there's enough there which absorbs the impact and you don't feel anywhere in your feet. Walking wise, you don't get any tension in the back of your calves or in your shins when you're walking. Running, I mean, they're made for running. So again, it's a nice comfortable ride. What I will say is these laces, I found if I done them tightly in the morning, like, so they fit snug, they would start to hurt because they tie up really close to the ankle. So if you don't give yourself enough space to move, you'll find that they start not cutting into your foot, but it becomes uncomfortable, so you have to loosen your laces. So I usually just lean forward a bit and then do up my laces. That's one thing I'd say. The fit is great. The height of this heel here around your ankle is superb. They've designed this so great that inside, you know, it just sucks your ankle in and your foot sits right in the shoe. It's breathable at the top here. It stretches with your toes and your legs, the way you move, etc. The boost itself is not too stiff. It's just rigid enough to allow natural foot movement. Still don't know what this does, but whatever it does, it's doing a good job. So someone in the comments, let me know what it is. And I know there's runners out there who can explain much more to me, but I'm just giving you a Joe Blogs user review after 3 months of doing over 300k in these and enjoying them. The grip wise, they're really good. You can see they're quite worn out at the top there, because you know that's where I run, that's where your foot hits. And they're really good. I have to say they've been really good to me, man. Like I said to you, I've done weighted skipping in them. I've done press ups. Well, you know, I don't move, but do you know what I mean? When you go down and do a press up and your toes are like that on the floor, it doesn't feel anyway. It doesn't feel like it's stopping you from doing that. Running's fantastic. You know, it does what it was supposed to do. And just walking, you know, short burst walking, fast, slow, it just supports you all. So 3 months on, I would say this hasn't let me down. It hasn't let me down. I swapped my trainers for different things, but when I'm out and about in terms of exercise wise, these are ones I go to. If I'm doing HIIT exercises, you know, like circuits, things like that, I use another set of trainers, which I've done a video for that, links there or here or wherever it comes up, I can't remember, but that's in that. Go watch that video, because that's, you know, that trainer there is a really good one. But this, as a general all-round, I know it's built for running, but as a general all-round trainer for the average person who does a bit of exercise here and there, mainly does walking, superb. And I can't remember how much they're retailing for now. I'm sure you can get them a bit cheaper because of, you know, you've got the new Ultraboost 21s, but not a bad price. Not a bad price at all. So there you have it. There's my 3 month review of the Adidas Ultraboost 20s, my workhorse, my confidant, my kicks for training, and it should be yours too. Definitely one to have in your locker. If you don't like the colourway, there's so many other different colourways. Don't criticise me, I like the colourway. It suits me, I like these bright colours. I'm out, thanks, peace.